Okay, so I'm going to use this to look up words that are scary, like confirmation bias. This is something you hear people talk about with artificial intelligence, and it can sometimes be scary for people. So I'm going to use Copilot and ask it to help me understand bias in AI, or confirmation bias. And it starts giving me a ton of information, right? But then it's actually talking about data. It probably knows a lot about what goes on in my life because I do teach a lot of data analytics and I use a lot of data. So I'm not really surprised, but I'm trying to teach you how to use it, and you need it to give you the words that are really important to you. And this is created by changing your prompt to make it more meaningful. It's really, really easy. So I'm going to say I'm a human resource professional, and I'm going to include what I need it to be, which is an expert in bias. I'm then going to go on and ask it to tell me why it matters to the job role I'm in. So I'm using human resource here because this was the presentation I did the other day. Now again, you're going to want to say things like site preferences and things like that, but we're just going to keep it simple here so that you can learn. So now here we go. Now it's giving me a definition I can get my head around. Why it matters. How I might be on the lookout for it. And steps to reduce it. Okay, so here's the tip. Fine-tune your prompts. Tell it who you are and who you need it to be. And then if you're using Microsoft 365, I love these sources